Yes, I actually had also Mitsuba installed on my Ducati, but I think I killed the Ducati because of the horn. Hi guys, we're on our way to LED lights PH. Pero hindi ang ilaw ang papagawa natin, but instead I'm planning to have a pair of Mitsuba Proud horn installed. Now, I think if you've seen my really old vlog about installing a screaming banshee, I was actually very happy with it, pero parang gusto ko ngayon i-match yung horn nung Terra, which will also be Mitsuba. So ito, papakabit din tayo ng Mitsuba, and sa mga nakita ko na mga shops, I think LED lights is the one who's more familiar with big bikes. So papakabit tayo. Now, I'm also going to be checking just in case kung yung headlight nito, which is your standard na H4 bulb, kung papapalitan ng LED. Ang concern ko lang is the LED, the headlight housing of this one, kung saan kinakabit yung bulb. Sealed siya eh. All the wirings are inside the casing. So ang LED bulb, especially the one that they're selling, has a piggyback module that you need to install outside of the housing. So ang concern ko, if we're going to be doing that, hindi na siya magiging sealed. So hindi na siya magiging as weatherproof. Pangalawa, if that's going to be the case, if they're going to run the wire, kailangan nilang butasan yung cover, which I don't want. So yun yung papa-check ko, if there's a way of not putting a new hole or damaging the housing, then I can consider. Pero kung kailangan nilang butasan and make it a way to fit, I think I'll rather just stick to the stock halogen bulb. Kasi yung mga LED na walang piggyback, hindi daw maganda eh. So ang maganda talaga is yung with the piggyback module. So let's see when we get there, and I'll talk to them. So we just finished with the horn install. Now meron lang ako medyo nagulat dun sa install. So even before I went to LED lights, I already inquired about the price. So they already mentioned 2,000 was for the unit, and then the install was 200. So I was presuming that's all I need to pay, which is 2,200. Nagulat na lang ako nung magbabayad na, sabi 3,200. So they actually charge 1,000 extra for the wiring harness, pero wala namang wiring harness eh. Wiring harness are usually set yan eh pag binili mo, yung tulad sa mga fog lights or the other horns like the other Mitsuba. I'll show you a picture of the wiring harness of the other Mitsuba models. Ito wasn't a harness, it was just basically wires, inline fuse, and a relay. So they actually charge 1,000 for that. Yun medyo, yung 2,000 okay, the price of the horn is about average. The install 200 is okay. Medyo yung wiring na hindi naman talaga totoong Mitsuba harness or factory built harness, medyo mahal yun for 1,000, because usually yung mga fuse, yung mga relay, tsaka the amount of materials they actually use is less than 500 pesos lang. Kaya medyo nagulat ako sa 1,000. Pero yun lang, they should have just charged me more for the install labor, imbes na pinalabas nila ng 1,000 yung harness. Yes, guys, I actually had also Mitsuba installed on my Ducati, but I think I killed the Ducati because of the horn. So I'll update you guys, but after I had the horn installed on the Ducati, nag-throw ng error lahat eh. So I'm still waiting for the mechanic to come back from vacation, tapos papacheck natin. Hopefully it's not a big issue, pero kasi kung nasunog niya yung dashboard, that's a very 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 expensive repair. And the problem pa is if you can actually get the correct dashboard, kasi karamihan if you're going to get the dash for the Ducati, nandun din yung immobilizer, so you need to get matching keys. Kung meron man magbenta ng used, kung wala sa kanila yung original susi, wala ring use. So wish me luck, but I hope I did not kill the Ducati. So after doing a lot of DIY fixes, I finally gave up and just decided to call a towing service, since malayo-layo yung bagong shop ni Jarvis Emong, which is now at Royal Moto Club in Caloocan. So baka mag-error siya along the way, maipit pa ako. So I decided to just use a towing. Now, I tried the DIY fixes that I tried to reset it by removing the battery. Tapos ang napansin ko lang, after, if you let it stand for about a day, nawawala naman yung error. So you get to start it again, you get to ride it again. Pero after mga 15-20 minutes, bumabalik din yung error. So tinanggal ko na rin yung busina, all the wirings, as in wala nang natirang trace of the install. And then I let it sit again for a day. Ayun, wala na naman. So I was able to ride again for another 15-20 minutes, pero by the time uminit yung makina, wala na, ganun ulit. Pero nung nare-reset siya, that was the one that gave me at least hope na hindi nasunog o hindi ko na sira yung dashboard. Baka makukuha ng repair. So that's why I'm sending this now for repair. Actually, when all the lights up and all the error shows up, it doesn't stall the motorcycle. It actually goes into what they call a limp mode. So yung throttle mo very limited, pero pag namatay ka, hindi na siya mag-start ulit. By the way, if in case naghahanap ka ng a nice, safe way of transporting your motorcycle, the bike transporter here is really good. As in, very secure yung pagkakarga nila ng bike. The rate, when I compared it, he's one of the lowest. I paid 1,650 from Makati to Caloocan. Okay, so I'm still hoping na naayos na to. So as you can see, I sent the bike for repair to my trusted mechanic, si Jarvis. Yun nga lang, dati sa Maika Car siya sa Makati. Ngayon, dito lumipat na siya sa Caloocan, sa Royal Moto Club. Is that the name? So medyo malayo lang. Kaya nga today's a Sunday, I decided to pick it up on a Sunday. So in case I need to test it out, mas walang traffic. At the same time, pag pauwi yung kotse, mas walang problema. So let's see. I'm taking the ride now. So like I mentioned during my last one, unfortunately because of the new horn that I installed, Mitsuba, nagkaroon ng ang daming error na lumabas. So ang ginawa daw ni Emong is, I think he put on some line filters to the wiring. So hindi ko rin kasi sure kung ano eksakto ang nangyari, but this particular na mga models, which is the A21s, etong dashboard nila, itong dashboard sobrang maselan to eh. Kaya nga remember mo, if I I don't know if I mentioned it in my previous vlog. I actually changed my ignition coils to prevent that exact problem to actually being an issue. Kasi nga yung ignition coil nito was, the original ignition coil was known to throw back some voltage back to the dashboard. Ang nangyayari, yung dashboard pag may mga back na voltage, nasisira siya, kaya nga siya nagkakaroon ng mga errors, nag-iilaw para siyang Christmas tree. So ang pagkasabi sa akin ni Emong, yung busina also goes through the dash. Yung wiring ng busina also goes through the dash. So nung nagkabit sila ng wiring, yung minimal, we don't know if it has to do with the way they wired it or ganun lang talaga. May voltage na bumalik pabalik ng dash that through that error again. So I don't think it's the fault of the installer. It just so happened na talagang maselan itong bike na to for anything electronics. On top of my head, alam ko na naman yon, pero sabi ko, parang sa akin, paano magkakaroon ng issue if you're just going to put a relay? Sipin mo, wala kang extra na masyadong load ikakabit, pwera isang pares ng busina. But I guess even something as small as that was enough to throw off all this error. Kaya, well, right now, so far the temperature, we're already in working temperature. We've been running it for about 20 plus minutes already, so mukha namang okay na siya. So hoping pagdating natin sa bahay na hindi na siya mag-error again, then that at least solves my problem. Yun lang nga, yung repair cost for the wiring and all those, mas mahal pa sa ginastos ko kaysa doon sa kinabit kong busina na tinanggal ko rin. Kasi nga I really worried that that's going to cause more error if I leave it back then. So guys, so once again, so thank you very much for listening to my vlog. So buti naman naayos din ni Jarvis. So if you guys need any of your repairs, especially with your Ducati, get in touch with Jarvis through Royal Moto Club. I'll try to put their info below in the description, so you guys can get in touch with them. Because right now, what I know, the Moto Club, the service center, they service more than just Ducatis eh. So kung meron kang big bike, just bring it over. Sila Jarvis na bahala sa inyo. So guys, thank you, and until our next vlog, don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.